Hi, so in this video I would like to discuss about maths in CLAT. So we know that a lot of students have these issues with maths in CLAT. For a lot of them it's like a weak scoring point, they get scared about it. But I want to assure you through this video that maths in CLAT is absolutely nothing to get worried over. I mean, it's very simple, right? All you need is a little bit of algebra and good arithmetic skills. Yes, so all you need is a little bit of algebra and good arithmetic skills. And why am I saying that? Because it's possible for you to break down every component of every complicated maths topic that you have into these two, right? All you need to do is just be quick in your calculations and just have like a decent knowledge of algebra to score really well in maths, and you can just do that section really quickly. So what level of algebra do you need? You need it till like simultaneous linear equation. I am sure we have all come across this, even if you don't remember the term. It's questions like, yeah, it's questions like these. I am sure we have come across this. X plus y equals 7, x minus y equals 2. And arithmetic skills, by arithmetic skills, I mean like multiplication, division, like, plus mental maths. I mean, that'll help you with speed, mental maths. So I'd suggest that whenever you do maths, when you actually practice maths for CLAT, I would suggest that you don't use a calculator. That'll help you improve your arithmetic skills, because I'm not sure if you're allowed a calculator in CLAT. I don't think that is permitted. So anyway, we are gonna try to break down compound interest and simple interest using into a simple algebra and maths, right? So for compound interest we have this formula, for simple interest you have this formula. So for interest, generally the general formula, interest equals amount minus principal. Alright, so for CI we have amount equals principal. That is the formula, amount equals principal into 1 plus R by 100 upon M, so PRT by. Okay, so R is the rate of the time period, right? N is the number of time period. So why am I saying time period and not years? Is because if it is compounded annually, then it's rate per annum annual. But if it is compounded semi-annually, then your rate per annum will become half, right? And the years will become double, or if it's 1.5 years, it will become 3. If it's half year, it will become 1. So all this variation, I am sure you people are familiar with, in the sense that if it's half yearly, you have to reduce the interest rate per annum to half, and you have to check how many half yearly periods are there in your computation. That's it. We are actually done with compound interest and simple interest. So let's just, I know it's a tad bit unbelievable, so let's just go ahead and solve like a seemingly complicated question, and we will see if we are able to do that. So this is the question: the difference between simple interest and compound interest compounded annually on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 8% per annum is rupees 1.80. Find the principal. Alright, so let's see what we know. Let the principal be P for the minute, R equals to 8%, time equals to 2 years, and we know that SI minus CI equals to 12.8. Alright, so SI we know the formula. Actually, so CI will be more, so it would be the opposite. CI minus SI equals to 12.8. Right, so we know the formula for SI, which is PRT by 100. Right, we know the formula for CI. Okay, CI we know the formula for the amount, so the amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. This is the amount. Then if we deduct the principal, we get the CI, right? This is amount minus principal, so this will be CI. This is just the direct formula for simple interest, and then we have this being equal to 12.80. Alright, so let's take the principal out and substitute these values. So we'll get 1 raised to the power 2 minus 1 minus 8 into 2 by 100 equals 12.0. So now you see, this is the only variable which you can change it to x, right? This is the only variable, and now this is a simple calculation, right? So what you do, I have taken p common, so yeah, so this is where we came from our last step. So we have taken p common from this equation. Now you're left with this seemingly complicated thing we have to solve. Let's try to solve it. All right, so yeah, let's cut this divided by 4, give me 25, then divide this by 4, also give me 25. Right, so now we can simplify it a little bit. So give me 1 plus 2 by 25 whole square minus 1 minus 4 by 25 equals to 12.8. So you see, now even if it's going to take time, you can actually solve this, right? Now there is nothing that you don't know. It's only about putting in some effort, and I'm going to put that effort because I have to finish this video. But this effort will become easier as you just keep practicing. It'll become much easier. So this, if we add these two terms, so you take a bracket, this will become plus, this will become 29 by 25. Alright, 12.80. So this is 27 square by 25 square, which is 625, minus 29 upon 25 to 12.80. I was thinking the terms will simplify, but I don't think so, so I'll have to calculate like 27 square upon 625 minus 25 into 29 upon 625. Right, so 27 into 27, 9 9s are 49. Yeah, okay, it's coming to 729 minus, oh, equals to 12. Don't forget that. So P upon 625 equals to 729 minus 25 into 29. That also we have to do 5 9s are 45. So 145 plus 580 is 5 725. Okay, so it's uncomplicating now. So it'll give me P equals to P by, actually let me put it here. So 729 minus 725 is 4, right? So 4P upon 625 equals to 12.80, right? So so let us take care of this decimal. So 100 will be added here in the denominator. So 25 4 432 320, yeah, 320. Then again another 4, this is 80 0 8. So it's basically 25 into 8, so 0 0 look 4 carry 200 into 10, which is 2000, and this is the answer. The purpose of this video was not to find an answer. I mean, it was to find an answer, but don't get disheartened by the process. That is what I'm trying to show you, is that it is a series of steps, and those steps you already know. There is nothing to fear. All you need to do now is to work on improving your time and accuracy, and that is quite easy. So for a lot of things you can just use the options. If you have the formula, you can plug in the options and try them, right? So that will be a quicker way. But one way which I recommend as an exercise is to do like 10 questions of math every day, right? From a and 10th grade, ninth and 10th grade maths textbook. So you do these questions, 10 questions every day. That'll improve your, without a calculator. So that'll improve your mental maths, arithmetic, and algebra, and that is all you need to do well in well in CLAT. And so doing well in maths will help you crack like top NLUs also, which you will obviously miss out on if you are not that great with maths. So I I hope you are a little less scared of maths after this video. Thank you.